If you're still driving an older car in 2026, you're not alone. And honestly, you don't need to spend thousands upgrading to a new vehicle just to enjoy modern features. With the right budget-friendly accessories, you can transform your old car into something that feels smart, safe, and surprisingly premium. In today's video, I'm going to show you 12 must-have budget car accessories that can completely upgrade your driving experience, from tech upgrades to safety essentials. And the best part? These are all affordable and super easy to install. Let's jump right in. 1. Phone mount. First up, a phone mount. One of the simplest yet most essential upgrades. Whether you're using Google Maps or taking hands-free calls, a sturdy mount keeps your phone secure and visible. Look for adjustable grips, 360-degree rotation, and strong suction or vent clips. It makes driving safer and way more convenient. 2. Bluetooth FM transmitter. Still stuck with an old stereo? A Bluetooth FM transmitter is a game changer. It lets you stream music, take calls, and even charge your phone, all through your car's radio. Just plug it into the cigarette lighter, tune to a frequency, and you're set. Super affordable, yet incredibly powerful. 3. USB fast car charger. Next, a USB fast car charger, because slow charging is just frustrating. Modern chargers support fast charging technologies and multiple ports, so you can power up your phone, tablet, or even dash cam simultaneously. Compact, affordable, and absolutely essential for daily use. 4. Upgrade car stereo. If you want a serious upgrade, consider replacing your old stereo with a modern car stereo system. Many budget options now come with Bluetooth, touchscreen, USB, and even Apple CarPlay or Android Auto support. It instantly modernizes your dashboard and improves sound quality. 5. Reverse parking camera. Parking an older car without sensors can be stressful. A reverse parking camera gives you a clear view behind your vehicle, reducing blind spots and preventing accidents. Most budget models are easy to install and come with night vision, perfect for tight parking spaces. 6. LED interior lights. Want to give your car a premium feel? LED interior lights are the easiest way to do it. These lights are brighter, more energy efficient, and often come with color-changing options. You can customize your car's vibe and improve visibility inside at night. 7. Portable tire inflator. A portable tire inflator is a lifesaver during emergencies. Whether you're dealing with low pressure or a slow leak, this compact device lets you inflate your tires anytime, anywhere. Look for digital displays and auto shutoff features for accuracy and convenience. 8. Basic emergency kit. Every car should have a basic emergency kit. It usually includes jumper cables, a flashlight, first aid supplies, and other essentials. You never know when you'll need it, but when you do, it can make a huge difference in safety and peace of mind. 9. Floor mats. Old, worn-out carpets can make your car look messy. A fresh set of floor mats protects your interior from dirt, water, and wear. Go for all-weather rubber mats for durability and easy cleaning. They instantly improve both looks and cleanliness. 10. Digital tire pressure gauge. Maintaining proper tire pressure is crucial for safety and fuel efficiency. A digital tire pressure gauge gives you accurate readings in seconds. It's small, affordable, and way more reliable than guessing or using outdated tools. 11. Steering wheel lock. Concerned about security? A steering wheel lock is a simple but effective anti-theft device. It's highly visible, which alone can deter thieves. Plus, it physically prevents the wheel from turning, adding an extra layer of protection to your old car. 12. Car cleaning kit. Last but not least, a car cleaning kit. Keeping your car clean not only looks great, but also preserves its value. These kits usually include microfiber cloths, brushes, interior cleaners, and more. Everything you need for a quick and effective clean. So there you have it, 12 budget-friendly car accessories that can completely transform your old car into something smarter, safer, and more enjoyable to drive in 2026. You don't need a new car, just the right upgrades. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment, and let me know which accessory you're getting first. And of course, subscribe for more car reviews, tools, and budget upgrades just like this. Thanks for watching.